Tonight on the news, Governor Sheriff Oberewere flags off 29.8 billion naira infrastructure in Ndokwa East local government area. Lions Club International District 404 commences its annual convention in Asaba. Plus, Nigeria takes significant steps to strengthening healthcare system. Good evening and many thanks for joining us tonight on the news. My name is Susan Esu with details of the news and other stories, but please be reminded that you can watch this news live on all the social media platforms. Nta Asaba Channel 11 on Facebook, Nta Asaba Live on YouTube, and Nta Channel 104 on the Star Times decoder. And now to details of the news. A 29.8 billion naira Abo Akarai Road and Bridge project in Ndokwa East local government area has been flagged off by Governor Sheriff Oberewere to reaffirm his administration's commitment to inclusive infrastructural development across riverine, rural and urban communities in the state. Governor Oberewere also said his administration remains focused and organized in executing its infrastructure development agenda. With deliberate efforts aimed at connecting communities through reliable and resilient road networks capable of driving growth, economic renewal, and improved quality of life, this 11-kilometer Abo Akarai Road and Bridge project has been flagged off. Governor Sheriff Oberewere stated that the landmark project underscores his administration's resolve to ensure that no part of Delta State is left behind in the delivery of democratic dividends, regardless of the terrain or remoteness of the communities. Oberewere disclosed that the 11-kilometer road project, stretching from Abo through Umutu to Akarai Obodo and Akarai Etiti, is designed with reinforced concrete pavement due to the swampy nature of the terrain, noting that asphalt will not withstand the environmental conditions. He explained that the challenging terrain included thick mangrove forest, deep swamps, low-lying sections, and heavy clay deposit, but assured residents that the project represented government's determination to overcome developmental barriers.
It is designed to stand above past flood levels, especially the 2012 flood that ravaged many communities in Delta State and other part of the state. Because 2012 flood was the highest that have ever happened to us in Delta State. So we put that in our planning and we'll make sure that the road will move the level of the road above that same level.
The Deputy Governor Monday Onyeme, while speaking at the event, applauded the governor for what he described as unprecedented love and commitment to the development of Ndokwa Nation. He described the governor as a builder of bridges of possibility, progress and development.
You have opened up communities that before now have never seen a third road in their life. This community, Akarai, has never seen a third road in their life. This is the very first time.
Chairman of Ndokwa East local government area, Vincent Ashinoya, said the people of the area have suffered for many years because of poor access roads, adding that the project will ease transportation, improve commerce, and create opportunities for families, farmers, workers, and business owners. Also speaking, the Obi of Abo Kingdom, His Royal Majesty Greg Oputa III, commended Governor Oberewere for appointing a son of Ndokwa Nation as Commissioner for Energy at a time the people were advocating improved power supply and infrastructure development across the region.
For all you have been doing all over Delta State, not just in Abo, we happen to be beneficiaries of your good work. Like I tell people, You cannot give a taxi driver a plane to fly. You know exactly what to do, and you're doing what you need to do.
High Point was the official flag-off of the project, which is expected to be completed in the next 12 months. Susan Esu, NTA News. A commitment to selfless service and dedication to helping those in need remains a core principle proudly upheld by members of the Lions Club Multiple District 404. This guiding philosophy aligns with the organization's objectives of humanitarian service and community development. Lions Clubs International continues to champion impactful initiatives as a theme for the 2025 to 2026 is Lead to Serve, Serve to Lead. Ngozi Imokwede's report is here presented. The media briefing was organized to highlight the significant achievement of the 19th Multiple District 404 Convention has recorded during the 2025 to 2026 Lions International Year. The Multiple Council Chairperson, Lion Ibrahim Jude Bello, provided a retrospective overview, noting that the organization has implemented innovative and life-changing interventions across key focus areas. These include vision care and blindness prevention, hunger relief and food security, youth empowerment and skills acquisition, diabetes awareness and support, mental health and well-being, environmental sustainability, childhood cancer support, reading action programs, and capacity building initiatives.
We are aware that the general population is over 20 million. Government cannot do it all alone. And that's why people like Lions and our associations are coming as much as interventions to come with that empathy to see what we can do to make our community better than the way we met it.
Lions Club's Multiple District 404 is also strengthening support for government at all levels, emphasizing that multi-layered collaboration is essential to achieving holistic and sustainable development outcomes for future generations.
Continue to lead our district, our multiple district through our clubs. We are made up of clubs to district and to multiple districts to fortify the bridges of membership growth, multi-sectoral partnership, potent service projects, strengthening capacities of our members and community stakeholders. These conscious bridge building actions are expected to unify our strength and weaknesses toward producing fresh energies and enthusiasm required to address the complex humanitarian crisis.
During the interactive session, journalists asked questions on various aspects of the organization's activities, with detailed responses provided by the leadership. As part of activities marking the Lions Year, the organization is set to donate medical equipment to the Pediatric Cancer Unit of Asaba Specialist Hospital. This initiative is in collaboration with Wema Bank. Lions Club's Multiple District 404 Nigeria says it will continue to build intentional bridges through service and unity, reinforcing its commitment to humanitarian impact. Nigeria has taken a significant step towards strengthening healthcare regulations across Africa by signing and ratifying the African Medicines Agency Treaty. The move is aimed at enhancing the quality, safety, and efficacy of medicines across the continent. Haman Jabani reports.
The treaty was adopted by African Union in February 2019 and came into force in November 2021 after enough countries ratified it. With the signing and its ratification, this has positioned Nigeria among African countries working to establish a unified system for regulating medicines and health products. The African Medicines Agency is designed to harmonize medicine regulation across African countries, combat fake and substandard medicines, among others.
We have learned important lessons from recent global health crises. We learned that Africa must invest in local manufacturing. We learned that strong regulatory systems are essential, and we learned that health security depends on strong continental institutions. AMA is one of those institutions.
We will have joint assessments. We will issue one opinion. We will also have centered regulatory information sharing so that everybody can go into one repository and look for information. We will have continental quality and safety databases.
For Nigeria, the development presents opportunities to boost local pharmaceutical production, attract investment, and expand access to safe and affordable medicines, as it will also enhance the country's ability to respond to public health emergencies and align with global best practices in medicine regulation.
The signing of the treaty shows a group of 55 countries working together towards the same goal. The signing of the treaties will build synergy in terms of making sure that the products are first of all accessible and the products are affordable.
With more African countries keying into the treaty, stakeholders are optimistic that the continent is on course to achieving a more coordinated and effective healthcare system. Hamad Jabani, NTA News.
This is Nta Asaba News at 7, the station that adds value to society. We have just told you that Governor Sheriff Oberoi has flagged off a 29.8 billion naira bridge project in Ndokwa East local government area. We'll pause for some messages. Please stay as the news continues shortly.
Milux Paint and Chemical Industry, my first choice. From emulsion paint to textured paint, we bring quality to every surface.
Milux Trade Silk, matte paint, eggshell, and gloss finish for perfect results. We also offer My Bond Glue and My Screed POP paint for strong and lasting applications. Our products are designed for wide coverage, fast drying, and long-lasting performance.
Delivering durability, extended shelf life, and super performance for every project.
Visit us at number 107, Okumagba Avenue, Warri, Delta State. Contact us today, 080-388-40309. Milux Paint.
Looking for a luxurious, homely, and well-furnished apartment with a state-of-the-art equipment and facilities? eBay View is the place to be. Welcome to eBay View Homes and Apartments, swiftly located in the heart of Asaba Delta State. You are assured of 24 hours power supply, free unlimited high-speedy internet Wi-Fi services, well-trained staff, and detailed security services to give you comfort, safety, and convenience. We have luxurious, well-furnished apartments and suites suitable for families, couples, and individuals who crave the ultimate travel experience. That's not all. Savor our African cuisines and native foods from our continental kitchen as you feel the ambience and serenity of the warm environment uniquely designed. Our laundry services is reliable and professional as we offer you instant and next day services right at your request with special care. What are you waiting for? Make your reservations right away on your next travel or home getaway and feel this wonderful experience. We are located at number 5 FA Onwuchu Drive beside Asaba Aluminium by Summit Expressway, Asaba Delta State. For reservations, please call 0915-165-6128 or 0913-186-1328 and get the best affordable rates for weekends and promo rates. eBay View Homes and Apartments. Stay, float, and refresh.
It is more than just a home. It is a sanctuary. It is your statement. Introducing Soft Home Interiors, where luxury meets modern living. Imagine sinking into unparalleled comfort, surrounded by the finest materials and exquisite craftsmanship. Soft Home Interiors transforms your space into an oasis of tranquility. With our modern royal sitters, Turkey and Arabian chairs with tables, beautiful unique dining sets, all types of breathtaking interior pieces. And that's not all. We also offer you interior designing consultations as we are ready to serve you in any way you want. From the subtle details to the grandest gestures, Soft Home Interiors elevates every corner of your home. Give us a chance to bet your dream home. For sales and consultations, visit us at our head office located at Asaba Lagos Expressway beside Apam's Funeral Undertakers opposite Ekemas Oil Nigeria Limited, Asaba. You can call us on 0803 672 9662 or 0708 943 8130. Follow us on Instagram at Soft Home Interiors. Catch all our latest designs on TikTok at Soft Home Interiors. And don't forget to like us on Facebook at Soft Home Interiors to discover the art of modern living. Soft Home Interiors, modern luxury redefined.
And the National Productivity Order of Merit Award goes to
the only tomato paste manufacturer to win the National Productivity Order of Merit Award by the Federal Government of Nigeria, endorsed by the Association of Private Medical Practitioners of Nigeria. This is an evidence of 100% natural goodness. Eat healthy to live longer. Buy now and enjoy up to 30% discount.
Welcome back, and now to the rest of our stories. The Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps NSCDC Edo State Command has paraded two suspected human traffickers involved in transporting their victims from Ekpoma to Lagos and Ivory Coast, where they are subjected to prostitution. Oduagabong Achibong has details of this report.
The suspect, Nuhuda Amada and Oreme Smart, have allegedly successfully trafficked 5 girls this year for prostitution and have confessed to working with one Vanessa in Ivory Coast, who receives the trafficked victims.
I can't carry theory. When they say they want to go, I can't carry the theory, can't give them. You can't transport them, go Lagos, go give a sister. And then after that one, I don't know, say if you don't stop. A sister, I can't get the sister number. He can't give me a sister number. Me and his sister can't talk. His sister can't tell me, say, whether another one day. Now I say, ma check. I go stay ask 2. Then go say yes, then go.
I was doing the job before, so I stopped the work. When I stopped the work, and I told Ero to stop the work, so he did not stop the work. When he continued the work, they catch him, so he now confessed me out.
The public relations officer of the Corps, Ifosa Ugbebo, says efforts are being made to apprehend other members of the syndicate.
Investigation has revealed that the syndicate carried out multiple trafficking operations involving 6 female victims, all of whom were forced into prostitution abroad. The arrested suspects have confessed to the crime and will be charged to court accordingly, while efforts are ongoing to apprehend the remaining members of the network.
The command therefore calls on citizens to desist from illegal activities capable of ruining their future. In Benin, Udrakobong Achibong, NTA News.
The Asaba of Asaba, Professor Epiphany Azinge, has donated 2 kidney dialysis machines to selected hospitals in the state capital. The gesture is expected to strengthen healthcare, ease the burden on patients in need of dialysis treatment, among other benefits. Ngozi Imokwede reports.
The beneficiaries of the donations are the Federal Medical Center and the Specialist Hospital.
We are truly in their need of a dialysis. It was not 48 hours after that I got a call from our son, Ubweshi, Dr. Richard Keshi, who is in United Kingdom, and incidentally he is the founder and proprietor of Oak Medical Foundation, and he clearly told me that he is going to source for dialysis machine and he will forward to us in the palace. That those who are treated with this will survive, will be fully healed, will be fully rehabilitated, and then will return back to the street.
The chief medical director of the Federal Medical Center revealed that the hospital had been operating with only 2 dialysis machines for the past 6 months, a situation that placed considerable strain on both patients and healthcare providers, and that a request had earlier been made to the monarch for support, an appeal the monarch promised to consider and has now fulfilled.
This dialysis machine, a brand new machine being donated by the Asaba, is going to be a very big relief to the hospital.
The chief medical director of Specialist Hospital Asaba and government functionaries described the intervention as timely and impactful.
Today's donation will significantly expand our capacity, reduce waiting time, and improve patient outcomes.
They call on other well-meaning Nigerians to give back to the society. In Asaba, Ngozi Mokwede, NTA News.
And that's the 7 News for tonight. We thank you so much for watching. Good night. Nta Asaba, adding value to society.